And again, we have found that Tripura Morta as a party has been pushing on those areas. While the engagement is going on, we have not reached to the conclusion that we would want to see. So therefore, these kind of land rights and the protection of the indigenous people, the protection of the identity of our people, the protection of the culture of our people, the overall progress and economic growth that we would like to see, these are all agendas where we feel that we can do more by being together. And that's really what is driving, as I said, this entire decision we're taking. Thank you.
Let me जी I'll address it. We have all time, especially when the ladies are asking the question, we'll answer it. What is our issues across Northeast? Daniel Langthasa is fighting for protection of 6th schedule. We are fighting for the protection of 6th schedule. There are common problems of illegal migration happening from neighboring countries, alienation of tribal land. अच्छा दिल्ली में अरुणाचली हो, दिमासा हो, गारो हो, नागा हो, त्रिपुरी हो, मिजो हो, बहुत जगह में हमारे लोगों के संग दुर्व्यवहार किया जाता है. अगर सिर्फ चाकमासी जाके चाकमास के बारे में बात करेंगे, मिजोजी जाके मिजोस के बारे में बात करेंगे, तिपरासाई जाके तिपरासा या नागा, तो हमारी आवाज जो दिल्ली में है, हमारी संख्या कम है, बेंगलोर में संख्या कम है, तो हमारी आवाज कभी कभी सही जगह में पहुंचती नहीं है. So this is where our students suffer. There are many professionals who are from the Northeast. There are many lawyers who are from the Northeast who again want a platform where they want to talk. That's why Conrad Sangmaji has told them that you are most welcome to join us. There are many journalists who are from the Northeast who sometimes feel that they are not being heard or they are being profiled. And I think it is our job as leaders from the Northeast to come together and articulate that. That was your question. Which are the common points? We all know that many of the people across, many of the Vidwans and intellectuals cannot name 7 or 8 Northeast capitals. And I think it is very important that we also ask the government of India, whosoever is there, to ensure that there is a chapter in the Northeast. Because when I meet some of the most intellectual and wise people, they do not know enough about the Northeast because it is not taught. Students, study books, curriculum does not have chapters in the Northeast. So I think respect is a two-way street, and if we can speak and come together, it will make sense. Speaking about the VC election, that is my democratic right to go and approach the Supreme Court, and for 9 years elections were not held. Chitrita, let me tell you that elections were also delayed, not under this government, also under previous government. The previous government was a part of a different bloc. So when the tribals of Tripura feel let down, they don't feel let down by one alliance or the other alliance. The tribals of Tripura would like their rights to be restored irrespective of who's there. So that is a constitutional right, and we do that. I think we should. Well, the idea is that only.
Only one name, one political party for all Northeast.
G. Absolutely.
That is exactly the point. We've repeated again and again. We are all going to come in and merge and become one political entity. One name, one symbol, one flag. So that is what our objective is. Because without that, we feel we will not be able to achieve the kind of goals and objectives that we have set forward. So with that, we'll close the press conference for today. Thank you very much. And lunch is served. Lunch is served. बाद में बात करेंगे बहुत